everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys the most requested video tutorial. First thing first, you go to meitu app. This app is called meitu because you guys may be asking it. Then go to tools and an art boat, and then upload your photo as usual, and then choose the milk type, cartoon, add it, and then save that. And then go still in the meitu apps, go to retouching and start adding makeups. But if you don't want, you don't have to. I just want to make the cartoon looks more real, more realistic and bold. That's all.
As long as we keep the slow.
After that, go to picsart and then upload your photo. Go to FX and then start search for bronze 2. Apply that. Okay. Apply. And go to sticker. This part is optional. I'm just adding freckles to add more details, more skin texture. So again, it looks more realistic.
So bewitching. So I'll go first. There's an open bar. Let's close this distance.
And you want to go to cut out and then choose person and then go to fit and then choose the background color as you like again. Basically you are done, but if you want to add another details, you guys can go to Polarr app, and actually a lot of people making Polarr filters code on Pinterest, so you guys can search for that. But I will give mine in the, it's not mine but the one that I use in this video in the link description box below. And then again, I'm not happy with the result yet, so I go to prequel and then choose this filter. I forgot what it's called.